Alright, people, this is Lima Railfan Productions here. Lima Street Railroad Crossing in Lima, Ohio. We just got done with the train right there. We're at the East Pine Street Railroad Crossing. Starting off with, we got the first signal here. We got the signal with no bell. However, we do got Safetran 12 by 24 inch LEDs with Safetran fading LEDs. 12 by 24s. And I'll show you what's right there. It says Safetran System Corporation. And for signal base, we got a GRS. General Railway Signal Company with the nice, it's previous installed by Conrail. Okay, the dot tag for the milepost for this crossing is exiting 532-706S. As you can tell, it's owned by Chicago Erie Fort Wayne Eastern Railroad. And for the side lights here, it's also 12 by 24 inch with LEDs. It's right up there. It's a crossbuck previously installed by Conrail. This crossing, back while I look on Google Images, this crossing originally had probably Safetran 8-inch lights with WRSS. There's side lights. There's side lights for y'all right there. There's side lights, and here you go, also Safetran. And for the brackets, Safetran System Corporation. So, if I can get over across the street here, here's another signal that looks like this one, but it probably has the same thing. Here we go. We got more 12 by 24s, but this time we got 4 sets of Safetran 8-inch lights. No, sorry, about 12 by 24 lights. Sorry about that, people. Here we go. Here's the dot tag again. 532-706S. And oh, here we go. For your crossing enthusiast, we got a signal, the Western Railroad Supply signal base, while that one over there has a GRS signal base. Same thing with this signal, has the same crossbuck. Ooh, it's windy out here today, sorry. There you go, there's the crossbuck right there. And relay case, there's Jackson Street. I'll do a review on that sometime, because the road's always so busy. And right there, if you can see, is a relay bungalow. Hidden in a quadrant over there, looks like northwest or east quadrant. Track views looking towards Ada. And track view looking towards Fort Wayne, Indiana, and so on, Chicago-wise. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching, people, and have a great day.